Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna talk about a platform that you can use to invest your money into. There's a lot of way of investing your money. Some people use Coinbase, some people use Robinhood, some people do a lot of stuff, but this platform is the I don't know is my favorite platform that I've been using for almost 2 years now. I've been using for 2 years now, and I'm excited to show you guys and how you guys can use it. So, stay tuned. Please don't subscribe. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, man. Like and comment and let me know what you guys think about my video. If you guys want me to do more video, and don't forget to go check out my brand, Faith Love Africa. We represent Africa. So you guys gonna go and check it out. So let's go in the video.
So the platform that I was talking about it is called Acorns. I don't know if some of you already like uh, know about it or someone already like talk about it or something like that. But this platform I've been using it for 2 years now, and I really love it because what they do is they use your spare money or the spare money that you use to you take to buy food and stuff like that, and they will like invest it for you. And also they 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 ask you to put like a deposit or $5, $10, or whatever amount you want to put, so they will take it out of your account every week or every 2 weeks or every month. It's just it depends on you, and then they will invest that money for you. And also, before I forget, they have a one, I think $1 fee that you have to pay every, I think every month you're gonna pay $1 or $2. So just keep that in mind. So let's just go into it. It's called Acorns. Right there you can see Acorns. Yeah, I'm gonna get it going. So I made, this is what I am, they are like investing for me, and this thing is legit because I already withdraw some of my like investment before. I withdraw 300. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just for proof. uh so go back. Where is the thing at? I'll go over every features for you, but I just want to show you guys that once you invest, you can withdraw your money anytime you want. There's not string attached to it, or you have to keep it in. So uh like I said, I withdraw 300. Withdraw right there, you guys can see I withdraw that. That's November. So what this app does is, like, when I come to here, like the first time that you open it, this is what you will see. uh just that. Then when you go to invest, they will give you this portfolio. I put mine in aggressive because I want my account to grow faster. But if you are a first time, th- they will they will put it to conservative. But I I would say put it to aggressive if you want them to use your money and invest it for you, like faster. I would advise aggressive. Once you change it to aggressive, here you will see the wind up. So when like I spend my money, they will take 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, and they will add it. If it's up to $5, then they will invest it for me. So I boosted up by 10x, but for you, you will put it 2x. So if you, like I say, if you want your account to go faster, you can change it to 10x. and I set it to uh, automatic, and I put it for every Friday. They'll take $10 out of my account to invest it. This is the roundup, and then here you see my performance. They show you your performance, and they also you can read about it, how they invest your money. And here is the age base, so like they will do the math and they will tell you when you get to like 65 you get this amount of whatever they do. And also I put it that every 8th of each month they'll take eight the dollars out of my account. uh so there's that. I can withdraw that one too, but I haven't withdrawn that. And you can earn money to spend. So they will send you this card. I don't know if you can see. It's a Acorns card that I have. So I can go to Walmart and buy stuff, and then they will like invest it for me. So for example, if I go to eBay, I buy stuff, they will invest 1%. If I go to Groupon, they will invest 6%. If I go to Walmart, they will invest 1%. And like those all those stores, there's a lot of stores that you can go and shop at, and then you will get those. Uh, like they will invest like 40% in your account. They'll invest 40 in your account, and there's a lot of things that they like offer you here. So yeah, that's a little bit about Acorns. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, comment, and tell your people about it. I share tips about business and everything. And please don't forget to go check out my brand. I'll put the link right there so that you can see, and also put the link in my description so that you guys can go and check it out. So thank you guys, and stay tuned. Let's go. For the culture, we build for it.